Hello, everybody! Our wonderful cyborg queen wasn't able to film this week, but we can't let the algorithm gods get her down. You might not recognize my voice, but I'm her virtual assistant, Grace, and I'm here to keep you updated while she's otherwise occupied. Jenna won't be posting this week because Cliff is in the hospital at the moment, but don't worry, they have a wonderful team of doctors and he is already on the recovery. Butters is well looked after, and our fluffy little princess is holding down the fort in her mother's absence. While Jenna is using every spare minute in the waiting room to work on her rom-com, if you love dangerous tournaments, forbidden romance, corrupt politics, secret unalivings, she falls first, he falls harder dynamics, and more, don't forget that you can find the first 3 books in her Romantasy series on the Zon right now. And writers, if this is the year that you finally finish that book you've been thinking about, her writing craft books, Shut Up and Write the Book and How to Write Romantasy, are both available to stock your reference shelves. And that's all I have for you today. While Jen is looking after her family, be sure to check out her Insta and give her a follow for updates. I'm not really sure what the assistant to a cyborg queen's call sign would be to sign off the video with. Am I a lieutenant, a captain, a major? I have no idea. But until next time, see ya!